said, I go away.
No, stay there.
Yeah, it's already cooked the rice.
Imagine, guys, Clarita cooked the rice without showing you.
But you are busy with the phone. Take the spoon.
So guys, now how do we know that the onions are ready?
The scent.
The
There's that aroma.
It's a scent that,
The aroma.
yeah. Where is the cloth for holding? I want my hands to get back. Ooh.
What?
What type of cloth is this? Guys, I wish you would see what Clarita had given.
But you didn't want it the
This is
other
what she
one.
has given. Sure. The cloth, go to back.
I told you burnt the other one. Now you want to burn this.
Guys, this is how we survive.
No, you want to burn
Chicken. You can see how it looks.
chicken.
Hi guys, welcome back to Kenyan Blind Couple. My name is Nitch Kings and today we are making chicken. So I'll be marinating chicken. So as you can see in front of me, there's chicken here, pieces by pieces. We will be marinating them slowly by slowly. So welcome, keep tuned, continue watching, continue subscribing, share the like and all that. So guys, I want to take the ingredients. Clarita, kindly bring me the ingredients. Vinegar, salt.
You have the salt.
I have the salt. So there's what and what? Turmeric.
Here is the ginger.
Ginger.
Here is the turmeric.
Green.
Here is the vinegar.
Vinegar. I don't know how to put the vinegar, but I'll just put. It's okay.
I give you a small cuplet.
Yeah, something small. Okay.
Okay.
So guys, I'll start with the ginger. As you can see, let me put it round like that. My hands are clean, I had washed. So, in order for me to feel like it has touched some parts of the chicken. For those in America, Europe, we call chicken kuku. Kuku. Yeah, let me teach you a bit of Swahili. Chicken is kuku. K-U-K-U. No? So I'll put ginger. Let me wash my hands. So that I could put what's it called? Turmeric. Is turmeric. So you put like that round. Clarita, what have you brought?
A small plastic bowl.
I didn't say hi to guys. You're so.
No.
You are so.
I will tell them hi. No problem.
You're so unfair to guys. What is that of your brought? The vinegar. Can you put?
Should I rinse it first? Or you put your
Rinse.
chicken there?
Remove the chicken. Can you rinse?
First.
Before I put salt.
Wait, that's done. There's the vinegar. Where did you put it?
It's just right there. Just right there. So as she puts the vinegar, put a bit of salt on the chicken. Don't put a lot because
I'm just putting a little.
Yeah. Also the vinegar has salt, so I don't want to put a lot of salt. As you can see, mix it.
Can you hold here? You tell me if it is enough.
Chill. So the vinegar brings a bit of sour taste, kind of bittersweet. Okay.
Is it enough or I
Yes,
add?
this is fine.
It's fine.
Yeah, so let me sprinkle around.
Can I? So I remove my ingredients. You're done with them.
Yes, please take them away.
You're done with the turmeric.
Yes.
You're done with the salt.
Yes.
The salt is going to be used.
So guys, now I'll leave this to simmer so that it can get into the chicken for some like 10 minutes. Yeah. You can mix in the chicken so that the chicken can have flavor. As you can see, so I just put it aside here. Clarita, please don't come this side.
Mine's coming down. So I have left the salt, the ginger, and the turmeric here because. Are you going to use it again? Even the turmeric.
Unless,
What about the rice?
unless I cook with the rice.
The turmeric, right? Okay. So I've taken the ginger and the vinegar. So guys, sorry I didn't say hi. Yeah, it's me. Today I'm just the assistant cook. Yes. Alright.
Chef,
Oh yeah, please. Thank you.
So guys, we're gonna take a short break. After 10 minutes we'll be back to start now cooking the chicken itself. So see you after this break. Yes guys, now our chicken is ready. It has already settled with salt, vinegar, and turmeric. So guys, we now are going to now do the cooking procedure. So Clarita.
Yes, your assistant chef is here. Oh,
Yes, my assistant chef, she's here.
let me put for you there.
Have you put oil on the
No, but I have
cooking
cut.
pan?
I have cut the. Oh no, I have sliced the
you sliced the
onions.
onions.
Yeah.
And the
Really
tomato.
Yes.
Alright. So let me wash my hands.
You wash your hands. Yeah, I was ready. You see the assistant chef is even ready than the chef.
That's
He said, I go away.
No, stay there.
I was ready to go.
So please, let's do this quick.
So I put 1 spoon or
Put two. Which one? Is this the big one?
yes, the big one.
No, this put one. One full.
I already put on food.
So, have we put on the
Wait.
I light
Take
it up.
me slow.
I light it up. So guys, I don't know whether let me check if the cooker is.
Yes, it is.
Oh, you already cooked.
Yes, I already cooked the rice.
Imagine guys, Clarita cooked the rice without showing me.
But you are busy with the phone.
Please.
Take the spoon.
So guys, I want to light up the
Green. No. Don't put the spoon there, please.
No, my food.
I'll put it here.
Clarita didn't position it well.
Are you sure?
Where are the onions?
No, they're inside
Oh,
the
there.
cooking pot.
Okay. So guys, as you can see. Now how do we know that the onions are ready?
The scent.
There's
There's that aroma.
a scent that,
It's the aroma.
yeah, the
The
onions have.
No, Don't put the tomatoes first.
You chill. I know I'm not cooking, not cooking.
Oh, let me put the carrot.
Stay here. Stay here.
What do I do?
Ya my mkono wa what?
What is that? I don't understand what you're saying. What are you
Sweet
doing?
self.
Why?
You're my right hand man. Oh, let me. I put the onion.
Onion, tomato.
Sorry. Tomatoes, guys. Here, have this. Where is the cloth for holding? I want my hands to get burns. Ooh.
What?
What type of cloth is this? Guys, I wish you would see what Clarissa had given me.
But you didn't want it the
This is
other
what she
one.
has given. Surely.
You threw the other one away.
Something of her size. So that is her size, not
Let me
mine.
give you the other one. Okay,
What?
yeah, give it. And don't burn this one, please.
I don't burn.
You normally burn.
I'm blind. What do you expect?
Let me.
Give me.
Yeah. Please, kindly don't burn. Look at you.
The fire is hot. It's burning.
It is just the heat. I don't know.
Give me salt.
Oh, you have
Burn
already
it.
burned it. You have already burned it. Oh, goodness.
Give me a bit of salt as well.
Where is the salt?
Hold that, please. You're my assistant, don't be upset.
my work is to hold things for you. It's not fair.
So I put a bit of salt, not too much. Salt here. Salt there. Okay. Now let me
No.
give me the spoon.
Yeah.
Guys, this is the back.
Mm-hmm.
The cloth is going to burn.
I told you burned to the other one. Now you want to burn this.
Guys, this is how we survive.
No, you're the one who normally burns.
But I don't want the tomatoes to cook so much.
Overcook.
Overcook.
Where is the chicken? Oh, the chicken.
Chicken. So guys, here's the chicken. You can see how it looks.
Chicken.
Looks fabulous. So we put piece by piece. Ooh.
Chicken.
I don't know why these guys gave me a small chicken. They so. As if I cannot eat a full chicken. These are baby chickens. I mean, no. But even if it's pocket, Marita, this chicken is too small for the price that we bought with. You know? It's too small. No? Next time I'm not going to that person. 350, I think. Something. At least 25 there.
Half. It was a half.
Imagine.
That one looks like quarter.
This is a baby chicken.
It's like a quarter. So who is going to eat and who is not going to eat?
You are not going to eat, I'm going to eat.
That is bullying. You're bullying me.
So guys, like that. Have this. We put it in the sink.
Yeah.
There's a spoon.
I know you're going to ask for this. You're going to ask where is the cloth.
So I want to mix a bit. Oh, look, I'm missing.
So
I want to mix it like that.
Is my work done? Then you take the lid before you ask me where is the lid.
So once I mix it like that, guys, I'm able to mix with the oil and the tomatoes, as Clarita calls them.
Tomato. Tomato.
So now we're lighting it up. Oops. Oh, I put the right one. Oh. And sometimes this cooker mixes me up.
What is my next thing to do?
I want you to give me now the lid
Right now.
as it cooks.
Right now or later.
Let me smell first of all it's smelling. It is smelling, guys. It's smelling nice. They started bringing the aroma of the what is it called? The what? What do you call it?
Turmeric.
No.
Vinegar.
When we were mixing it. Oh, what was it called? Mixing the cuckoo and the whatever.
Marination.
Oh, the marination, yeah. Flavors. Now bring the
Leave.
bit. And then you fetch me a bit of small water.
Small. Little.
Little water.
Who taught you English?
So guys, let me wash my hands.
Look at you. Now you
Now
want.
you see how we bump to each other in the kitchen.
Let me go and get the water.
Washing my hands. So let me reduce the heat for Clarita comes. To avoid a lot of
A full glass.
yeah, just breathe. I want it to have a bit of stew because of the rice.
Where are you?
Bring it there.
I don't wash you.
Wash me not. Yeah, this is.
Where are you doing? Hey.
So guys, as you can see, that's how the chicken looks. Where is the
I watch now. I don't know. Did not give me.
So, ooh, it's hot, man. Let me switch off first of all. So that it cannot. Yeah,
I think my work is done.
your work. Your work is to tell me stories.
Ah.
You haven't told guys we're in a new position. So that one is for later.
That one is for
Later.
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 Later, alligator.
Now let me put a bit of water before I put it on. Just a bit like that.
Please don't wash
Yeah,
the chicken.
like that. Yeah, drink this.
Huh? I drink. You're not going to use this glass anymore.
No. Now let me mix it up together
Actually, it was even dusty.
so that it can hold. Right.
That water is delicious.
Okay. Hope the salt will do I add some?
No, remember you marinated it with salt
Alright.
and you already added salt to the tomatoes.
Do I add turmeric?
Huh?
Thicken the water?
You want to add the turmeric?
Yeah.
Okay, let me go and get it.
It's not here?
No. No. I leave it. Okay.
Yeah. So let's
Remember you told me to take my stuff and return it.
let's done guys. Guys,
You
We're
have
now
to hold
together.
my hand.
we're now together, so after the chicken is ready, you shall enjoy with us. I hope. What do you say?
Mhm. Yes, because we eat together. That's why
Yes.
it's being little, we shall all divide. Sharing is caring.
Yes.
So guys, remember to subscribe,
Like,
view,
share,
comment,
exactly.
and turn on the notification
Button,
to be notified when we
post
the new.
content.
Thank you.
So we are
The Kenyan Life.
couple.
Adios.
Amigos. Lazima.